Is Infor CloudSuite really worth it in 2026, or are you about to get scammed? Let's get straight to the point. Infor CloudSuite is one of the top ERP systems out there, right alongside SAP and Oracle. It's not a scam, but you could still waste a ton of money if you're not careful. Here's what you need to know. First, the pros. Infor CloudSuite isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. It's built for specific industries. Think manufacturing, healthcare, even food and beverage. That means less custom coding and faster results, if you pick the right version. Second, it's cloud native, built on AWS, so you get automatic updates, strong security, and scalability without worrying about your own servers. And the analytics? Pretty sweet. Tools like Burst and Coleman AI give you real-time business intelligence and predictive maintenance out of the box. Integration is also a breeze. Infor OS and Ion make it easy to connect with third-party apps and even old-school Excel spreadsheets. But, and this is a big but, here's why some people feel burned. Implementation isn't just an upgrade, it's a full-blown transformation. If you're moving from a legacy system, expect big costs and a massive learning curve. We're talking $100,000 or more for small businesses, and way higher for larger ones. Pricing? Opaque. There's no standard rate, and your quote depends on user numbers and negotiation skills. And don't underestimate training. The interface can be clunky at first, and finding the right partner is harder than with SAP or Microsoft. User ratings in 2026? Solid but not perfect. Gartner gives it 4.1 out of 5. Capterra rates it 4.2, but the learning curve and documentation are still pain points. Bottom line, if your company is under $10 million in revenue, Infor CloudSuite is probably overkill. But for mid-market or enterprise players in specialized industries, it's legit. Just make sure you nail your implementation partner. That's my honest review.